This is about to be really loud. Hey, headphone users beware. Snow right here, at least probably I'd say about half of it I had to dig out. Man, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but hopefully you guys can. The only reason I'm taking my car out today is the day that I'm actually getting my turbo back exhaust, full-on turbo back, pretty much just going to be, I guess, inspected as well as fitted, so I can get the piping ordered for my new exhaust. We're going to go ahead and do this now. Today is the day that I have to do it. Unfortunately, here in Illinois, we got hit with snow, but the shop that I'm taking it to said that it could potentially take up to 6 to 8 weeks to get everything done as far as the exhaust goes. So I kind of want to get this done, or at least started now, so everything can be done around mid-March, early April, right when the weather starts getting nice to take the car out and actually getting some real pulls in and actually having some fun. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm taking up to the shop. Hopefully they can actually do the exhaust type that I want to get done. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna get stainless steel or go all out and get titanium. We're gonna get a quote for both. At the end of the video, obviously I'll let you guys know, what my decision is gonna be made. But we're 100%, hopefully, fingers crossed, gonna be able to get the exhaust that I do want, the center exit exhaust, coming out of the 4th brake light. So this quad tip Catback exhaust that I have here right now will not be on the car within, most likely, 6 to 8 weeks. So, man, I'll catch you guys when the car does warm up. We get on the road. It's gonna be a slow drive. I'm already late for my appointment, but shit, I have to dig out my car. The weather's inclement. It is what it is. All right, so we're on the road. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I got stuck about like 5 or 6 times trying to back out of my storage unit, and got stuck even more times actually trying to get the car out of the lot. Man, I am so tired of this Illinois snow. I cannot wait to get down to Texas and actually being able to make the content that I want to make and never have to deal with this nonsense again. Now, where we're headed is going to be P&L Motorsports. That's going to be the shop that's actually going to be getting my exhaust fabbed up. I have an appointment with them today of all days to kind of get everything situated, making sure that the exhaust can actually get made how I actually wanted it to get made, and so they can actually go ahead and pretty much measure out the turbo downpipe and all the piping that I would need, because I'm actually going to be opening this whole exhaust to a full 3-inch. Either they're going to be stainless steel or titanium, so they need to go ahead and kind of make sure that everything can be done in the kind of fashion that I wanted to get done. So gonna bring you guys with me. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to record in the shop. I don't know their deal is as far as recording in shops. I'm just gonna be assuming that we're not gonna be able to do it just because of COVID-19, which is perfectly cool, and I understand. But I'm gonna go ahead and just, bring you guys with me on the ride there, and then obviously after this appointment is done, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly you know, either a 3-inch stainless steel or a 3-inch titanium exhaust, you know, being done for the car. Now, they did say, because when I did bring the car up last week, this is like the second time I'm bringing this car up there, that this potentially could take 6 to 8 weeks to get fabbed up. So that's fine. Obviously, look around, snow, inclement weather. I'm not gonna be driving the car at all. Doesn't matter to me. That kind of gives me more time to actually plan things out, making sure that, you know, everything that I have or I'm going to be getting on the car can be done in the manner that I wanted to get done, and I have time to kind of source out parts that I still need to complete my build, as far as getting it, you know, where I want it to be at when the kind of season, or the car season here in Illinois does start. Now, the kind of nice thing about this whole situation is that I'm actually going to be able to get my wheels that I want, my work KIWAMIS, a hell of a lot earlier than I anticipated. Now, I honestly thought these wheels were probably going to take upwards of 3 to 6 months. Yo, you need to chill the fuck out. Holy shit. I thought that these wheels were going to take up to 3 to 6 months to actually get here, but somebody's actually selling them locally, and I'm going to be picking those up. They're coming with tires. Obviously, they're not the tires that I actually want or that I need to be running on the car, but I think what we're going to do is actually just put the wheels on the car, mount with those tires, roast them, have some fun, do some donuts, and then we're going to go ahead and swap out for some R888s once I get those done. I don't know how long those tires are going to last. I'm honestly thinking maybe like 3 weeks maybe. Alright, so I just got back from the shop. We kind of talked it over, and well, the exhaust is possible. It's going to be getting done. We're going to be doing a full titanium exhaust too, because the pricing really wasn't that much of a difference. So I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead, full send it, since it is going to be kind of a custom, well, obviously a custom exhaust, and an exhaust that you don't normally see, especially on the 86 platform. Might as well just full send it, you know, get it titanium, so it's going to be lightweight and also look pretty cool. So I'm actually really excited for the finished product. The estimated time this is going to get pretty much like completed, I'm guessing going to be around 6 weeks, you know, 4 to 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, something around there. Perfectly fine with me, because honestly, within that time period, again, still going to have to source some other parts I need for the car to complete the build. And on top of that, the weather. I'm not going to be driving the car anyway. I need to go ahead and do a clutch upgrade. I need to go ahead and put my catch can on. I need to go ahead and put on my flex fuel kit, as well as my boost control. There's a lot of stuff I need to get done. So I mean, this exhaust, you know, taking this long is not a big deal. Also, gotta get the wheels and tires situated, and me kind of figuring out exactly what I want to do with the tires. If I want to go ahead and just, you know, get the wheels powder coated and then just sell the tires on the wheels right now, and then just getting some R888s and getting those mounted up, and, you know, pretty much be ready to go for, you know, season opener. So overall, you took a dub. I'm actually really surprised that the pricing wasn't, you know, that much of a difference. Now, everything's not like set in stone, because obviously things can come up, you know, the time it takes to get things fabbed up. So when I actually get the exhaust on the car, I'll let you guys know exactly how much everything costed. But kind of the funny thing about this is the cost of this exhaust actually is literally going to be around the exact same as if I were to go ahead and get a new Catback and a dual resonator front pipe, because the Catback that I wanted to get was, you know, near $1,000, and I wanted to get a dual resonator front pipe that was around $460. So everything should actually end up being around the same. So I'm going to be able to get an exhaust that I actually want for the same amount, maybe even cheaper than, you know, if I were to go ahead and source out different parts from different distributors. So everything kind of worked out. Really happy. All I have to do right now is just kind of just sit tight, let P&O Motorsports go to work and, you know, get everything set up. So, like I said, I just want to make this little update for you guys. Everything is actually kind of ahead of schedule, which is really good. But, you know, in the car scene, things can go, you know, right, they can go wrong. So, not gonna jinx it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I want to make it like an update video, let you guys know exactly what's going on with me and what's going on with the car. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.